Hi, everybody. I'm back. Look, I got two salads with me today. This one, this one, this Frankie, and you know Finn from yesterday. These are my salads for today. So here we are. So here's our salads, and we're going to start today's unit on density today. So here we go. Bye, guys. Thank you for helping. Thank you for helping. Okay, density, and we're not going to take long today. All right, we talked about mass yesterday. We used a graduated cylinder. I forgot to bring it. And we figured out mass. Then yesterday I told you use volume. Uh-oh, I have something going on here. Antivirus protection has expired. Uh-oh. Oh, so I still keep going? Oh no. Okay, so we're going to do something today called a density tower. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Yesterday we talked the word buoyancy. Today we're going to talk the word viscosity. Viscosity is how thick is a liquid. How thick does it pour? So I went to the cupboards in my kitchen and I grabbed a bunch of stuff. So I grabbed some honey and I grabbed some corn syrup and some vegetable oil and some dish soap and some water. So if anybody really remembers from yesterday, you would be able to tell me what is the density of water. We know it is simply 1. Okay, and there's Gus from yesterday. And I made Gus into a solid yesterday. So he is a solid, frozen baby. So he went from this little guy, started out, remember, a gas, was a liquid, and a solid, 3 states of matter. Okay, so today, properties of matter, we're going to take my graduated cylinder, and I am going to just pour some of these liquids into the cylinder and show you what's going to happen. If I can get, it open. Sticky. Okay, here we go. We're going to start with honey. I'm just going to pour it right down in. Do you see the thickness of this honey? Do you see how it's thick when it pours? All right, I'm going to pour that in there so you get a nice vision of how much is in there. And I'm going to let it just sit at the bottom of our cylinder. So there we go. Some nice honey. Okay. So we're going to put that over there. All right. Now, if I was in class and I had you right in front of me, I'd say, okay, what should we use next? All right. So let's use, what should we use next? We have this one, we have some oil, we have some Dawn, we have some Karo syrup, we have some water. Syrup. Okay, we're going to try that next. So we're going to pour that right in there. And where's it going to go? If you can watch it really carefully, you're going to see that it's sitting on top of the honey. I'm going to scoot that up a little closer. See? Right there. See how that goes? Okay. Let's try the oil. See what happens. Now, I think oil is kind of thick. I don't know. We'll see. So we're going to pour some oil in here. And I'm just going to try to pour it a little carefully down the side. Okay. And there's the oil. I should have put a little food coloring in it or something so you can see the difference. But right here is where the honey ends. Right here is where the syrup ends, and then this is oil. So let's take, just because that happened, I'm going to take a little bit of food coloring. Let's use some green. Neon. Woohoo! We don't go for ordinary stuff in this house. And we're going to put some neon green into our. Neon green is really looking blue to me. My favorite color. So there we go. Okay, so let's get this this out of here before I dump it someplace. Okay, so now we're gonna, oh, look how pretty. Do you see how pretty that is? Wow, look at that. Oh, I could watch that all day long. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. See how pretty? Anyway, okay, enough. So we remember we're gonna pour it in there ever so carefully. Uh-oh, did you see what happened there? Besides me spilling it all over the bar? Did you see that this right here is the water I just poured, and this right here is the olive oil. Okay, we have one more to pour. Put some dish soap. So where do you think that one's going to fall? Oh, I don't know. We're going to put that down the side. We're just going to see what happens to it. If I use it all up, and maybe I won't have to do dishes again. I think that's a possibility. Okay, so now if you look at our thing, actually it went underneath. So if you, I don't know if you can see this or not, I should have made more colors. So here's honey at the bottom, then the corn syrup. So honey first, most has the most viscosity, then the corn syrup next. Okay, then if you were looking at this, it looks to me like dish soap is next, then the water, which is a gorgeous color blue now. Oof, beautiful. And then at the very tippy top is this vegetable oil. So that is called a density tower. So you can try it with lots of different things. And if you pour it in very, very slowly, you can see it layer itself up. There's online, there's some recipes for stuff that you can drink, if you wanted to. Now, if this works, this is going to be your assignment. Okay, I'm going to put it on Teams, and you're going to read the information. I know you're looking at it backwards. I'm sorry. You're going to read the information, and you're going to do it, and you know how to do it because density equals mass over volume. Okay, so thank you very much, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.